Okay, once again, good morning sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. And in today's video, we are going to have our quiz on the subject personal identification under the topic fingerprint pattern, particularly on the ArcGIS pattern. Okay, alamin natin ang inyong kalaman dito sa ating topic alinsunod sa ating discussion sa vlog number 30. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. In fingerprint identification system, there are three major groups of fingerprint patterns. Which of the following is not included? Letter A, loop. Letter B, arch. Letter C, whirl. Or letter D, delta. Question number 2. What pattern is mentioning when the ridges enter on one side of the pattern and flow towards the other side, with a rise in the center with not more than one of the four requisites for a loop, and with no recurving ridge, no angular formation, and no upward thrust? Letter A, loop. Letter B, plain arc. Letter C, tented arc. Or letter D, delta. Number 3. One or several ridges in the center of the pattern form upthrust. Letter A, loop. Letter B, plain arc. Letter C, tented arc. Or letter D, delta. Number 4. Blank is that part of fingerprint in which are found the chords, deltas, and other ridges pertaining to a particular pattern type. Letter A, pattern area. Letter B, type lines. Letter C, core. Or letter D, fingerprint. Next number 5. This is a tented arc pattern. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. So look at the figure below. Is this a tented arc pattern? True or false? Number 6. What is the center or heart of fingerprint pattern? Letter A, delta. Letter B, core. Letter C, bifurcation. Or letter D, loops. Number 7. The ridges in the center form a well-defined angle. Letter A, loop. Letter B, plain arc. Letter C, tented arc. Or letter D, delta. Number 8. This is a tented arc pattern. Letter A, true. Letter B, false. Next, number 9. One ridge which forks or splits into two ridges. Letter A, recurving ridge. Letter B, diverging ridge. Letter C, bifurcation ridge. Or letter D, converging ridge. Last number na tayo, number 10. Blank is a ridge that curves back in the direction from which it started. Letter A, recurving ridge. Letter B, diverging ridge. Letter C, bifurcation ridge. Or letter D, converging ridge. Okay, so submit your answer using the link na nandito sa ating description box. Okay, yung sagot natin later on makikita rin dito sa ating description box. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat. See you again next meeting.